Much of this is very, very clever. But your fish substitute is absolutely horrendous. I never want to eat anything like that again for the rest of my life. There is way too much tofu. Because it's so dense, I'm still swimming through all this tofu nightmare.
Festival producer Hannah has made plant-based fish and chips. Deep-fried tofu wrapped in nori seaweed with triple-cooked chips, mushy peas, pickled onions, curry sauce, and tartar sauce from aquafaba, an egg white substitute made from chickpeas.
Those chips are perfect. Soft in the inside, they're crispy. When you dip them into your tartar sauce, you get that pungent flavour. I love it, and I love the texture of it. The curry sauce is as good as it is hilarious. Much of this is very, very clever. But your fish substitute is absolutely horrendous. I never want to eat anything like that again for the rest of my life. There is way too much tofu. Because it's so dense, I'm still swimming through all this tofu nightmare. Everything else, absolutely spot on.
It's a very thick stack of sliced tofu. That's where my criticism stops. Once you start dipping that into creamy, sharp tartar sauce and then a mild, slightly warm curry and then sweet, mushy peas with crispy chips, you have all the flavours of a chip shop, which I think is really clever, really good.
There is way too much tofu in the block, but I really like that nori around the outside. Your batter is fantastic. As an example of what you can do with plant-based, I think it's a really good dish.
I think I'm going to take swimming through a tofu nightmare to my grave. But I'm really proud of what I did.
Iranian-born Sahar has served spiced lentil rice with saffron and raisins, crispy potato with sesame seed, served with an onion confit, topped with date truffles.
Sahar, your rice is cooked beautifully and there's a lovely little bit of saffron running through it. Love the crispy potatoes with the sesame seeds on them. But we've got sweet raisins, sweet onions, sweet dates, and it's a little bit sweet for me.
You obviously know how to cook rice. The issue I think I have is that it seems to be there's something missing. I feel like there needs to be something else that these components are sort of supporting. There's no single encompassing element that's making my heart sing and go, wow, what a great dish.
Your confit onion, very sweet. It's difficult to eat on its own. I feel like the rice and the confit onions are the accompaniment to something.
I'm feeling at the moment exhausted, tired. I don't know what will happen next, and that is killing me.
Graphic designer Jazz Meat has made a thali of aubergine 3 ways: roasted aubergine and tomato curry, an aubergine and coconut curry, aubergine pakoras, naan bread, rice, raita made from vegan yogurt, and pickled onions.
I absolutely love that. You've got a smoky, hot aubergine curry. You've got a milder, but still quite spicy coconut curry. I love your pakoras. They've got a mild sweetness to them. I think it's really, really good. Let's hope William likes it.
It looks intriguing, but it tastes sensational. This is one of those dishes where you tell people about it. You go to a restaurant, you say, oh, you've got to go there. You've got to see what this guy's doing with aubergine. I adore this smoky one, and I could just eat, you know, vats of that stuff. I think your bread's great, your rice is just right. This is a truly memorable dish, and a fantastic example of what you can do with this brief.